Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending. So to start, go to your settings. So open settings, then scroll down and go to Wi-Fi. So make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working properly. Next, go back. And up here, you should see airplane mode. So check that airplane mode or flight mode is disabled, as this can prevent your device from connecting to the internet. So if it turns gray, that means it's disabled. If it's green, that means it's enabled. So make sure it turns gray. And just like that, now that's disabled. Next, ensure your phone's data and time settings are correct. Now, so here in settings, go ahead and search for date and time. Open it. And make sure they are set automatically or sync accurately. So make sure you toggle set automatically on, just like so. After that, close settings and go to App Store or Play Store. Then search for WhatsApp. So if an update is available, just like what you're seeing here, install it to ensure you're using the latest version of the app. So you can click on that to update WhatsApp, just like so. And as you can see, it's now installing. And just wait for it to finish. Then sign back in and see if that works. Now, if the issue still persists, you can back up your WhatsApp chat first. Then you can uninstall WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. So once reinstalled, restore your chat back up and check if the problem has been resolved. So to uninstall it, go ahead and look for WhatsApp, then press and hold it, and just click remove app and click delete app and click delete once more and it will be deleted. Then reinstall it on App Store. And that's basically it. So hopefully one of these methods helps fix the issue. Thanks for watching.